Honolulu Skyline Rail is a fully automated, elevated metro system providing transit to reduce traffic on Honolulu's east-west congestion. There will be 19 stations, with 13 of them fully completed and in use. The remaining stations under construction will be completed in 2031. Traffic is lean but will increase when the terminal station at Waikiki is completed. It takes about 30 minutes for the driverless train to complete a trip. I took a ride on this trail recently, and here are some pictures. It was a smooth ride, and the lookout on this very fine day was great.